Okay, so part 2 ng Sanctuary review natin, men. So, ito naman yung mga decants nila, no? So, basically, nakalimutan ko na ano yung mga request ko sa kanila, men. But, anyways, you know what, buksan na lang natin. Okay? Alright, so ito yung decant. Kumuha siya ng fragrance lab, men. So, we do have Eros. Titignan natin kung nakuha nila si Eros, men. Titignan natin. Since we're being hunted by that green apple minty Eros, men. Wala nakakakuha ng vanilla, men. Yung vanilla ni Eros, hindi ko maintindihan ba. And next is Amethyst. This is for my partner. So, I specifically got this one because syempre gusto ko rin mag-recommend ng mga fragrances for women, men. Hindi lang dapat tayo mabango. So, next is their Eclat. Eclat, men. Kasi, mabango si Eclat, men. It's just that it's common nowadays, but medyo iba-iba pa rin naman yung take nila on Eclat. So, let's go ahead and try this out. So, men, unahin na natin si Eros kasi dito talaga ako pina-excited kay Eros, men. So, I'll go ahead and spray this one. So, dito na lang. Antayin natin mag-dry down. So, while we're waiting for the dry down, men, try muna natin yung iba. Eclat for home. So, si Eclat ni Arpadian. Interesting. Okay, so bigyan ko na agad ng comment tong Eclat nila. So, their Eclat focuses more on the white florals ni Eclat rather than dun sa bergamot touch, men. If you like white florals, men, go for this one. This is really good. But ako kasi mas gusto ko yung bergamot. But if you want like something like Elcos white vibes, men, go for this one, men. Very smooth yung white florals niya. Not bad at all. Okay. Next natin is si Amethyst. Dito ko na lang i-spray. Si Amethyst is, yung copy nila kay Amethyst is very floral, men. Very floral. Is it good? Yes. If you don't like that in-your-face type of scent, go for Amethyst. If you don't like a sweet scent as a woman, go for Amethyst. Try this one from Sanctuary. Yeah, it's very smooth, men. So, wala siyang nakakainis na scent. Kasi maraming scent profile na mabango pero meron kang may inis kang scent. May ganun talaga. So, last na natin si Eros. Okay. Si Eros nila is just the typical inspired Eros, man. I don't feel that vanilla dry down dito sa Eros nila. So, I think aficionado pa rin yung the best Eros, man. But, since we're being honest, I would have to say na hindi ito yung trip kong Eros, alright? But anyway, for my rating, this is 9 out of 10. Gusto ko yung take nila dito. Very smooth lang. Si Eclat, 8 out of 10. Dahil lang mas trip ko yung citrus or bergamot focused na Eclat. Sa Eros, hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan, to be honest. So, 6 out of 10, men. So, bale, my thoughts on Sanctuary, overall, men. Yung pinaka-mas try sa kanila, men, is yung Aventus, men. Sobrang panalo ng Aventus nila. Yun lang talaga. As in, there's nothing special dun sa iba, but si Aventus nila, men, panalo. Panalo yun, men. So, yun lang, guys. Again, thank you very much, Sanctuary, for sending this out to me. I hope makatulong tong review ko sa inyo. So, let's wish for more sales, guys, and see you soon.